Have you come back now?
Yes, sir. So, Sergeant Lopez, you've admitted that you didn't ask me to leave, and that you didn't announce you were Reno PD or your partner, either of those things, when you arrested me for trespass. Are you going to arrest Nevada Court Services for the trespass that there's video evidence of on YouTube right now?
Zach,
Are you going to do that, Sergeant?
you need to, Zach, that's not possible.
Sergeant, are you?
Are you going to fill out your statement?
Sure. Are you going to do that?
I'm not going to arrest Nevada Court Services.
Why? Are they your buddies?
They did their job.
They did their job by going behind my back fence
Hold on.
and banging on my window for 45 minutes 3 times a day?
The paper.
Interesting.
You
Zach,
need to fill out the paper.
Interesting how it works down there at the Reno PD. You know, there's a lot of documentary filmmakers out there these days, Sergeant Lopez. Do you have anything you'd like to
Zach,
say?
you need to finish out your statement so we can go ahead.
Zach, you called us here to help you, okay? And now
Well, apparently not, because you say you arrest me for trespass when you either didn't tell me to leave or announced that you were PD, and then you have video evidence of Nevada Court Services doing trespass and harassing and banging on windows for 40 minutes at a clip 3 times a day behind a back gate that's obviously trespassing, and you're saying you're not going to do anything.
So when
Isn't
you
that
went to
correct?
court for that, what happened there?
have you got a word on that?
So you got no comments why you're not
I'm just wondering.
why you're not investigating
You
that?
had your day in court, and then what happened?
Yeah, that's coming up.
Okay.
Coming up.
And you can
But you haven't made any arrests. You haven't made any arrests.
You can explain to all.
I need to sit down. Do you mind to fill this out?
Nope.
I can explain to them why you didn't make any arrests of your buddies at Nevada Court Services, Sergeant Lopez of the Reno PD. And what was your name again, sir?
Officer Travis Warren.
And yours, sir?
Officer.
Avila. Thank you, sir.
Rachel.
Stephanie what?
None of your business.
But that's your dad, right? Christopher Alaback?
Yes.
Where's your mom?
I don't know. Dad, fill out your statement, please, Willie.
Did they get served with a complaint today about somebody?
I don't think that's any of your business.
Zach, we really need to stay on topic, okay? Because
What was the topic? Nevada Court Services?
No.
The buddies for Sergeant Lopez?
The topic is really all the domestic disturbance that is reported in Kennedy. Now, you passed arrest. Now,
You're saying it was reported to be physical. I'd have to check my records as to what the call said exactly.
That's how it's called right to me, Zach.
Okay.
I mean, are you claiming that it's not physical, Zach?
I'm just going to report it how I report it, and then you'll have to spin it from there.
Zach, all I want to do is report it.
Blah, 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 blah.
Information.
You want to arrest me for trespass.
No, Zach.
Or no, you want to arrest me for jaywalking.
Zach, I'm here today to
That's
help.
what you arrested me for. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Zach, we're here to help. We're here to
I would be so ashamed to be a police officer if I was you.
Zach, we're here to help you.
Arresting lawyers for trespassing when they're trying to save people's house and foreclosure. Well, the last time you guys were here, is Officer Gardner here? Where's Officer Gardner?
You have to go do another call.
Well, did he do anything on this call? Because the last time he didn't run anybody's priors, and if he had, it would have been interesting what he found. What'd you say? Is that proper procedure to run the priors?
The priors for who?
And he didn't do that. Well, who would I be talking about?
Yourself, maybe? The priors
Oh,
for
you
yourself?
think you're funny?
I think it's funny, yeah. I think everything's funny, actually.
Really?
I'm amused by
Do you
what
think
you
it's
tell.
funny when your partner says that Richard Hill pays him a lot of money to arrest who he says to?
I'm pretty sure it is.
And you were there?
5
And you didn't follow up with the questions of whether
5
Richard
minutes
Hill
back and we're out of here.
whether Richard Hill had given me a bill for rent that month, and yet you still arrested me for trespass?
Zach, did you call us here?
I think that's funny, that you think it's funny, lady.
Zach, did you call us here to report something that happened to you today?
I'm busy going on my report, guy.
Officer Warren, I call you back.
I'll tell you what I want.
Oh, Zach, that's unfortunate.
No, it's the First Amendment is what it is. Maybe you should try looking it up sometime, but
I try to extend the courtesy to you.
you don't extend shit to me except arresting me for fucking jaywalking.
I didn't arrest you for anything, Zach.
I know, it's hard to tell you cops apart. You all got your jackboot and your brown shirt on. Are they supposed to be here? Are they legally allowed to
We
be
live
here?
here, thank
Is there a
you.
CPS order? Is there a child support consent order that you need to know about?
No, but.
Did anybody tell me to leave that day I was arrested for trespassing?
We're not talking about that, Zach. We're talking about what happened today, okay?
No, I'm talking about what I'm talking about, guys.
We're not talking about that.
Well, maybe you're not, but I am.
Okay, but we're not going to answer you, okay?
So what, you her attorney?
I'm sorry? No, Zach, because I'm here investigating the crime that you're reporting, okay?
Well, which crime am I reporting?
Well, specifically, I was going to ask you that question. What are you reporting?
Well, so how can you tell me you're not talking about that if you're not sure what crime we're talking about? It seems like you're trying to lead the witness, counselor.
I'm not a counselor. You called me here to help.
I mean, when I say counselor, I mean a lawyer.
You called me here to help.
Sounds like you're kind of leading the witness to get the answers to the questions you want. Or the questions. Yeah.
Zach, report whatever you like, okay?
No, you're telling me we're not talking. You're telling me what we can talk about. And I'm asking you what I'm reporting. And you say, I don't know.
No, you said crime. You're telling me.
What a joke. What an absolute farce of a police department. In some instances, not all officers with Reno PD. Some are very, very good. Some. So, Sergeant Lopez, you're admitting nobody told me to leave. Nobody, and
We're
now
not discussing this, Zach. We're discussing...
your silence is an admission.
The silence is nothing, Zach.
Silence is golden.
That's not the topic we're discussing today.
That's something you're discussing. Now, if I have a complaint of police misconduct, who do I report that to?
Even though I'm turning over there.
That's IA, right? You don't just call 911 and report that, right? Or call the people you're complaining about to complain about them.
If you have a complaint.
You know what the LAPD does is they call the FBI, or no, the FBI comes in and they do a sting or something, go into the jail.
Zach.
So they don't even go to internal affairs, they just go to the FBI.
Well, for us, if you have a complaint, that's an officer.
Can I call the FBI?
Call anybody you want.
What would you prefer? Your own in-house thing or the FBI?
That's how we handle it. You can call internal affairs.
Can I call the FBI?
You can call anybody you like.
You're gonna see her soon?
Did the management give you, eviction notice?
Are you getting involved in civil matters now? You're going above and beyond, Officer Lopez, or Sergeant Lopez?
That?
Are you getting involved in civil matters, lady?
Did they give you an
Woo
eviction
wee!
notice or not?
You're working up the storm over there, aren't you?
Yes or no, Zach?
So you can say no comment, Zach.
Oh, thank you, counselor.
You can say no comment.
Thank you, counselor. I appreciate your advice. Now, what criminal matter were you investigating here?
I'm asking you a question, Zach.
About a what? A civil matter?
Zach, did you get a...
What? What?
Okay, we'll take that as a yes or a no. We'll take that as a maybe. Who knows? All right, Zach? You're not going to be able to bait us into saying things or doing...
I already, have been listening to you here. Whether you've been baited or not, you said a whole lot today. Why do you ask me? I didn't ask you, sir.
I'm just speaking. It's my investigation, so...
Should you be speaking for yourself? I don't think you're a big girl. You're a big girl, right? You speak for yourself.
We're about ready to leave
You're
it
a
right now.
sergeant. I mean, good God. That's like up on totem pole, right?
Zach, let's continue this.
So yeah, you guys had told me, well, what if Richard Hill, somebody might have told you, I'm going to have to take my risk. What if Richard Hill sent a bill for November? Shouldn't you follow up on that before you make a trespass arrest? And you said, what did you say? Did you say, no, we're not going to do that. Richard Hill pays us a lot of money, and we're going to arrest who he says to arrest. Did you hear that, Sergeant Lopez?
Let's stay on topic, Zach. Let's stay on topic as to what happened.
This could be your star turn. This could be your star
You
turn.
need some help, brother.
Really?
Yeah, you do.
Like some editing help? Somebody to help me with audio?
Photograph the door. Zach, would you mind if we took some photographs of your door to document the recording?
You know what? You want to take some photographs of my door, huh?
You're claiming there's some damage to your door, and
Yeah.
that happened as a result of what happened today between you and Chris Alaback. Would you mind if we photographed your door?
Well, I mean, haven't you previously photographed the door?
I've never done anything, Zach.
Why haven't you photographed the door already?
This door?
What door are you referring to?
Your door, Zach. The one you're
I
reporting
don't
was
know.
damaged.
I wish you'd stay on topic.
Actually, that is topic.
Because you define the topics, right?
Topic is what happened today. Zach.
Today I was arrested for jaywalking, and I went to fucking jail for 12 hours.
Okay.
And then you guys bailed me out 2 fucking minutes after the last bus left, and you left me out in 25-degree weather up at a park. That's what you fucking did.
There's no need to swear, Zach. Nobody's swearing.
That's what happened to fucking day.
You mind if I photograph your door, Zach?
I'm not going to tell you how to do your job, dude.
I'm asking you, Zach. I wouldn't want to offend you in any way. I want to complete my investigation thoroughly. Would that be okay, Zach? I'm here to help you.
Yeah, I guess.
That you called us to help you, and I'm here to help you. And you're not really giving me the opportunity to help you.
But you were in the room, partner. You were in my room the whole way. What was up with that?
I didn't have a camera with me there.
Why not? Didn't you come here meaning to do business? You just come here meaning to fuck with me.
Fact. I don't have a camera with me. My partner has a camera in his vehicle, and he's going to go get it right now.
There's your statement, Zach.
You guys seem to be trying to distract me from my stuff. I can go ahead and take a picture of the door.
Thank you.
You know, maybe I'll include one of my online reports.
I'm sorry?
Maybe I'll include one of my online reports.
Maybe you'll include one in your online report?
Yeah.
You don't have to do it. You're doing one right now.
Well, but can I? Is that all right with you?
I can make it whatever you want to do.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome.
Maybe I can get a 2 spots at lunch if I'm good, too.
You do whatever you like, Zach.
It's 13th, and it's about 1:30. Well, Judge Perry's funeral starts soon. Remember Judge Perry? No?
Zach, you most likely need to unlock your door so I can take photographs of the frame on the inside.
Okay. There's a charge for tampering with vehicles, right? On the online police report, obviously taking the license plate and flashing tires and putting that. But it's interesting because online it's like they kind of try to put flashing tires in with the destruction of property, but they don't put it in with the tampering of vehicles unless I'm missing something. Can you clarify that for me, Sergeant Lopez?
Are you doing anything with that?
The tampering is probably reserved mostly for somebody putting sugar in your tank, stuff like that. The actual license plates missing and it's the worst thing, or some other license plate, we need to get those on NCIC as soon as possible. And then,
Can you do that? I'll put my plate number on here.
yes,
Why don't you actually put it on the back for me? You can include it in the back as a separate thing. And then what I can do is you can put it the last time you saw it, and you noticed it was missing, and the place of where it was parked, so we can narrow down the area. And did both the license plates get taken, or just one?
Do you know anything about police officers last night placing a parking ticket on my vehicle after they pulled me over? Trying to slip that on there?
Forward, I'll need you to include in the back of your statement
I'll include what I want in my statement, sir.
What do you want me to actually?
Otherwise, it would be your statement.
If you would,
You sound like you've been briefed extensively for this little meeting here today, sir.
if you,
Oh, that's her way of trying to say, hey, don't step in any more dog do.
so you ain't done anything.
That you know of, sir.
Zach, finish your statement, buddy.
Report.
You know I'm a ninja cross-examiner. I'm not good at many things.
Fine.
You're not good at one. Officer Lopez, that Officer Carter, is his first name Chris?
Sargent Lopez.
I'm sorry, Sergeant Lopez. Is his first name Chris?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Sergeant. Do you know Sergeant Pooh?
Yes,
Sergeant Pooh and I went to kindergarten through 4th grade together.
that's what he said.
Good guy. And I have a court date I have to get to, sir, so I'm sorry, I'm going to have to get one. Now, I don't want any pictures taken or anything other than the interior of the door. Is that okay?
I'll do my best.
Well, either you will or you won't. I don't want pictures taken in the interior of my room.
Okay, well, I'm not going to purposely take any pictures of you.
Okay, now you're playing games and you're making funny statements about doing your best purposely to do something that's quite simple, to take a picture of the interior of the door pane this way. Are you refusing to do that?
No, I'm going to take a picture of the stuff that you tell me is damaged. Exactly.
Here, I'll take a picture for you.
Well, you point, you can look at what I'm photographing.
No, I'll take your camera and I'll take a picture
No,
of it.
that's my camera thing.
So now you're saying you want to come in the room and exceed the scope of the consent of your entry into the room and take additional pictures.
Would you like me to take photographs back?
I told you I would like a photograph of the interior of the door facing this way taken. You've indicated you wanted to take pictures of everything in the room, and I'm telling you that exceeds consent, the scope of the consent to your search.
In fact, what I did say, and you can take and take, is that I would like to take a picture of whatever you tell me to take. So you point out the damage, and I will take that. Take a picture of that.
Okay. I want to tell you beforehand, so when you get in here and you try to act confused, it's going to be on tape that you were told clearly. I want you to take a picture from about 3 feet away, pointing this way, of the door.
I'll give you the opportunity to review the photograph to see if it's appropriate or not.
Can I ascertain it's not on video?
Okay, what's on?
I don't know, but please always keep it pointed towards that direction. Okay? If you keep the camera pointed in the southerly direction at all times.
You can see the screen tonight. Okay.
No, southerly. You're pointing it
I'm pointing at me.
That's still not southerly.
Okay.
Go ahead and take your picture.
Okay.
I got a court date.
Tell me exactly what you'd like me to take a picture.
Do you want me to take it?
Tell me specifically what was damaged during the altercation.
Just take a picture of the door. I'll fill out my report later.
What's that?
You said you wanted to take a picture, not cross-examine me.
No, but I want to
Take your picture.
Is that an appropriate picture, Zach?
Take several pictures of the door.
Okay. So is it this portion right here? Yes?
Take a picture of the back of the door. Not that close up.
Okay. How about right there? Is that appropriate, Zach?
No. Get a picture of the whole door.
Oh, the whole door?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you're just trying to be a jerk off.
No, Zach, I'm trying to do the...
Zoom out.
Is that a good one?
Start snapping.
Zach, watch your phone, brother.
Take some more.
It has to reach
Get there. Why don't you get a shot at this? Get a shot of this.
Yeah, take a photograph of that. So is this door frame right here, this side, was that broken?
Did you get a shot of this?
I did.
All right. I'll fill out my report later. Thank you. Goodbye. And you've got a report now, but I'll supplement it later. And you guys have chose not to run priors and not to check any CPS or child support outstanding orders. I guess that's police work. It implies that you've done anything for me so far.
You have called us, we have come here, we have treated you with nothing but respect.
That's not true.
You've been a
That's
jerk.
not true. You smirked and laughed about your abusing process and arresting me rather than
I'm
NCS.
not going to respond. Do you understand me?
I understand that you said that you're buddies with NCS. Hey, what's this piece of paper you left on the floor?
For you.
Go gone above and beyond trying to be nice to your folks.
Motherfucker, I don't give a fuck.
They cost me hundreds of
You
dollars.
are doing this. You don't even pay rent.
I did pay the rent.
Okay, what
I
are you
gave them
doing?
some of my last money ever. You don't pay rent every day.
Your last money ever?
The last money I have on
How are you
earth.
going to survive then? How are you
That's
going
a
to live
good
here?
fucking point, lady.
How are you going to live here if you don't have rent to pay?
I paid for this month already.
You know you didn't.
Hey, why do you
And
say
you're
that?
getting evicted on the 10th, so you might want to start packing.
Well, I paid for longer than through the 10th.
Well, you're getting evicted. Do you understand?
Really? Because that's what I do for a living, is I defend against
No, you
eviction.
fucking didn't. You didn't even give the cops respect. They came here to help you. That's why you called them because you were being attacked. And all you did was sit there and cause some problems. You didn't do shit. Now you're going to report me? Yeah?
I didn't say that.
What are you doing then?
I'm being lied to by somebody.
You're being lied to.
Confused.
You're crazy, dude. Where are you? Are you here? Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Look, someday, when
Someday
you're
what?
trying to support yourself, and somebody slashes your tires and steals your license plate and locks you out after you gave
Well,
him,
someday we're going to be asshole like
what's an asshole about that?
You're fucking retarded. You're being retarded. You're making my dad not like you. You stole his knife. His steak knife. Like, seriously?
You mean the one who chased me up the stairs with and said he was going to kill
Did
me?
you fucking chase you up the stairs and tell him that he was going to kill you? Why would he say that? He's not like that. And if he says it, doesn't mean he means it. You make him say that, you fucking prick. But the thing is, too, that really kind of won't be wrong for the whole support, because they'll make 2 days or 1 day, which should mean for only the more. So that's good, but still, come back in the day. Did you know your grandma was in the last time? Yeah, they're going to be sick. Oh, you're not going to be sick. I take her in there in the morning. Yeah, she's going to be here too. So, I'm not going to be wrong. Good.
Stupid fucking jerk. I'm fucking down. I'm done fucking. Sorry for you. I don't give a fuck.
Tell me your whole stupid fucking deal, Laura.